Can you really make a bun without flour? Let's see. There are lots of videos for protein buns or mashed potato no flour rolls on social media. Here's one of the recipes off the internet. Basically it's mashed potato, 2 eggs, Greek yogurt, some baking powder and maybe a pinch of salt. This is meant to form a dough. I have deviated slightly in that I'm only using 1 egg and cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is also featuring on social media as a crisper bread. I must admit there is something in the sides with the eggs making like a scrambled egg, which will give a bun-like consistency, but I don't really think it works with the mashed potato. Once it's all mixed together, it goes onto a greased baking dish. It does look a bit damperish, but it's definitely not a bread dough. A sprinkle of sesame seeds to complete the illusion. And into the oven. They actually don't look bad. I think that's the cottage cheese though. They very much look like a damper. Allow to cool. They are a bit spongy, so I can't wait to break one open. And of course, proof is in the cutting. They don't look bad, but they really are just a glorified Dutch's potato. Maybe a little bit cakey, so if I had tried 2 eggs, who knows? But stay tuned because I want to try a flasher version. I also acknowledge all the social media videos.